We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE in Fusion White and Brooklyn Green. Now, right off the bat, you can see it's a pretty tall bike, but I'm 5'6" and I can tippy toe this thing. So it's really not too bad. Lots of ground clearance, tons of ground clearance, and it also has a nice skid plate right there. This bike is meant for off-roading, so we do have these spoked wheels. We also have dual disc brakes with ABS, and we've got Brembo calipers. This thing stops really well. Little mini front fairing, but it keeps all of that dirt from getting kicked up onto your face. The little extra wind kicker helps as well. We also have hand guards, comes with the bike, and this really nice GV saddlebag. It locks, and it is also quick release. And you can also see the Olin suspension that is on both sides, and it is extremely adjustable. So we run on a fob, which is right here. We also have the valet key. So power button right here, press that and the dash will start to come alive. You can see this bike has 2,362 miles. It will show that again as well right there. The cutoff switch, you press it down once, you can hear the fuel pump prime, and then you press and hold to start. You need to pull the clutch in, so just one moment for me. Other cool little features. Also have heated grips. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.